Have you ever wondered how old Pakistan really is? We became a country in 1947, but the history of this land goes back 5,000 years. Today, I will tell you the complete history of Pakistan in just 5 minutes. It all starts in Sindh around 2500 BCE with one of the world's first and most advanced civilizations, the Indus Valley Civilization. Two major cities were built here, Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa. These people had planned streets, a drainage system, and brick houses at a time when most of the world was living in huts. Mohenjo-Daro was so advanced that it had a great bath, which was like a public swimming pool 5,000 years ago. No one knows why the civilization suddenly disappeared. After that, the center of history moves to what is now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab. This was the land of Gandhara. Its capitals were Taxila and Purushapura, which is today Peshawar. This was around 600 BCE. This was a golden age. In Taxila, the world's first university was established. Students from Greece, China, and Central Asia came here to study. And in Peshawar, under King Kanishka of the Kushan Empire, Buddhism flourished. The first ever statues of Buddha in human form were made right here in Gandhara. From here, Buddhism spread to China, Japan, and Korea. Then came the Age of Empires. Alexander the Great came through the Khyber Pass in 326 BCE. Later, the Persians, the White Huns, and then in 712 AD, Muhammad bin Qasim came to Sindh and brought Islam to this region. For the first time, this land became connected to the Islamic world. The real transformation came with the Muslim empires, Mahmud of Ghazni, then Muhammad Ghori, and then the Delhi Sultanate. But the most magnificent era was the Mughal Empire, starting in 1526. The Mughals built Lahore. They made it their second capital. They built the Lahore Fort, the Badshahi Mosque, and the Shalimar Gardens. Emperor Akbar built the Attock Fort to guard the Indus River. For 300 years, this land was one of the richest places on earth. After the Mughals became weak, the Sikhs under Maharaja Ranjit Singh took over Punjab and Peshawar. He built a powerful kingdom from Lahore. His general Hari Singh Nalwa was so feared that Afghans used to scare their children with his name. Then in 1849, the British arrived. They ruled this land for almost 100 years. They built railways, schools, and canals, but they also took our wealth. They called the Khyber Pass the most dangerous frontier in the world. But the people of this land never accepted slavery. From 1857 to 1947, our ancestors fought for freedom. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan started education reform. Allama Iqbal gave the dream of a separate homeland. And Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah turned that dream into reality. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan was born, the only country in the world made in the name of Islam. From the ancient streets of Mohenjo-Daro to the mountains of Taxila, from the forts of Lahore to the bazaars of Peshawar, this is not just 77 years of history. This is 5,000 years of history, and it lives on in us. This is Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad. This is just the beginning. Join me as I tell you more about the history of this land.